Okay, I'm sure you guys have seen these all over Pinterest and everywhere else, but every year I try to make like a Christmas ornament for all my coworkers and family and friends. And this year I decided to make these adorable Santa gnomes. So, what you're gonna need is either a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. And I cut mine about, let's see, I cut mine about about a half an inch. I cut mine. Yep, half an inch thick. You can cut yours any size that you want. Then you're going to cut about, I think I cut 36 strands of your color yarn for your hat. And that depends on how thick or not thick you want your hat. And it looks like it's about 12 inches for the yarn. So cut 36 of those. Then if you want, you can get yourself some jingle bells. They are 13 millimeter. Some wooden beads. They're probably about the same size as the jingle bells. I don't have that. And then your white for your beard. And if you have one of these, it makes making the pom-pom a lot easier. And I think I'm going to use letters for my coworkers to let them know whose is whose. And I think that's it. Oh, and a hot glue gun. Okay, so let's get started. So after you've cut all your yarn for your hat, fold your yarn in half like so. You're gonna insert your yarn with the open end in, and then you're going to loop it. Okay, and then tighten it. And if you want to make this stronger, you can tape it, masking tape it, whatever you feel. I didn't go above and beyond like that, but you can if you want to. So I'm going to use 35 of these strands because I'm going to save one to tie around to make the knot. So I put my yarn in, made a loop to grab them and pull through. Okay, does that make sense? I hope. You don't want to make them too tight because then you're going to bend this. So you're going to do that all the way around. Insert, grab, and pull through. So let's do that all the way around. Okay, so you've got your hat done. So what you're going to do now, kind of tighten all the things. Gosh, I hope that's enough light. And now you're going to turn or flip these inside to make it like the ribbing of the hat. Okay. Kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, and this is where I get a little bit of my stuffing. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. And I kind of hold the hat like a ice cream cone. And I stuff, but I don't want to stuff like too hard because then it's going to out. Oh, see, I did that. I pushed too hard. And then you're going to notice kind of where your yarn isn't covering. Okay. Then you go and take this piece of yarn, boop. I kind of double tie it so it doesn't go anywhere. And then this piece of yarn I'm actually going to use to tie my jingle bells to. And this we're going to cut off to make like a little pom-pom. That seems a little crooked on this side, doesn't it? You can cut it to your heart's desire. Ow. Okay, so we've got the hat done. So now we do the pom-pom beard part. So the hat part is probably the part that's going to take you the most, because this is pretty easy peasy. Where's my end? There it is. Boop. So this is kind of self-explanatory. You can make your beard as fluffy or as non-fluffy as you want. And I got a kit like this, and it comes with like 4 different sizes of pom-poms, I think. So you can make yourself a massive beard if you want it, I guess. Okay. Easy peasy. So, get back here. I just cut all this off. And you got yourself. You can even make a bunch of like snowballs to throw at each other. Okay. So, got our bottom. We're gonna take our hot glue and hot glue around the top here. And then I just drizzle a little on the inside. Take my pom-pom and press it in there. You might want to hold it for a little bit just for the heat to solidify. Okay. Now with your needle that I probably didn't mention that you needed, I'm gonna get one of your jingle bells. And tie it on. Get your wooden bead. Ah, get back here. Okay. Now if you have remnants of your green yarn, gimme. You can use that as your little hook holder for your Christmas tree. Boop. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna add the initial real quick. Okay, so one of my coworkers' letters starts with J. So I don't know if I want to put it here or on his actual brim of his hat. I don't know if this will stay on very good, but oh, that's freaking adorable. I look like a little one-eye monsters.